This video shows you how to use the label and description fields for your listing photos. Within the picture administration section of your listing, click on Add Label. Click on the magnifying glass at the end of Label. Click on Altered Image on the pick list, or manually type in a factual description such as digitally altered image, virtually staged, digital rendering. Click Save. Type in description. Click Save. The label will be on the top of the photo. Click on the photo to enlarge it to see the description. And this is how you add the label and description fields for your listing photos. Thanks for watching.